to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use ChatGPT for business ideas and market research. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use ChatGPT for business idea and market research, you need to simply go to ChatGPT. Once you're in your ChatGPT, you can simply use your ChatGPT for business ideas and market research by crafting specific prompts to generate concepts. You need to analyze your trends, research your competitors, and build your customer profile, leveraging its ability to synthesize vast data into actionable insights for brainstorming, strategies, and business plans. So you can leverage its ability to do this and give you a proper business plan with deep research for real-time data and custom GPTs for tailored workflow. So if you're going to do this, then you will be able to use your ChatGPT for business ideas and market research in a proper manner. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.